Let's learn how to create an image. Let's create an image using image tag here. Okay, now I'm going to display Indian flag on my screen. I'll get this here. When I take my cursor and put it on top of this image, can you guys see there is 900 into 600 here? What is this 900 into 600? 900 here is the width of the image, and then 600 is the height of the image. Okay, I want to display this image on my screen here. To do this, what I'm going to do, I will right click, and here you will get this option, copy image address. Here we have this option, copy image address. I will copy this image address here. So let's create an image. Now, if you want to create an image, here name of the tag is img here. This is the opening tag. I will have a closing tag here. Now, if I want to display an image, I need to have an attribute. Okay. Inside the opening tag, whatever I'm going to write here, that is called as an attribute. Here I'm going to write src equal to, and then whatever link I've copied, right, I'm going to paste that here. Now you will notice that on the right side, can you guys see a big Indian image is created for us? This is exactly how you create an image. Okay. Now this inside this opening tag, here src, what is this src? This src is called as source. Okay. I do not want to have such a big image here. Now I want to decrease the width. In this case, what I need to do, I need to give one more attribute here, and that attribute is width. Here I'll give width is equal to double quotes open and close. Inside this, here I'm going to write 250 pixels. When I did this, the width of the image decreased here. I'll search for Virat Kohli here. Let's display Virat Kohli image. I'll have this image here. Here we are having a very big image. The width of the image is 1200 and the height is 1088. Okay. I'm going to copy this copy image address. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste this image here. Now you will observe that we are going to get a big image. Now see, we got a very big image here. What is the width of this? The width is 1200 pixel. The height is 1088 pixel, right? So now what I'll do, I'll change the width. I'll change the width here. I'll give width attribute is equal to 300 pixel. Now when I did this, what is happening? The height will automatically change. Let's say that when we have made our width as 300 pixel, the height is same. The height is 1088 pixel only. Okay. So now here I'll give height is equal to 1088 pixel. Is it looking good? No. The image is not looking good here, right? It is looking like the image is stretched. This is the reason why whenever you change height or width to maintain the quality of the image, automatically the other attribute will automatically change. If you change height, width will automatically change. If you change width, height will automatically change to make sure that the image is looking good, right? You guys must have seen broken images. Broken image means something like this. See, whenever the image is broken, if you want to show the user what was supposed to load here, then here we have an attribute called as ALT. ALT is equal to, here inside this, if I've given Virat Kohli here, now suppose there is an issue in loading that image. If the image is broken, only then this Virat Kohli text will be shown. Otherwise, if the image loaded properly, at that time, Virat Kohli text will not be shown to us. We don't need to have a separate closing tag for the image. What we can do, simply where we are opening, right, there only we can close it like this. We do not need to write a separate closing tag. Look at this. So now here I have this paragraph. So now you need to clearly define, because you have text here, you need to very clearly define where this paragraph is opening, where this paragraph is closing. Now in bold tag also, here because in bold tag we have a text, that is the reason why we need to clearly define where it is opening and where it is closing. For these two tags, it is very important to have a closing tag here. Okay. But in case of an image, we do not have content. We only have attributes here. That is the reason why there is no need to have a separate closing tag. We don't need to define where exactly it is starting and where it is closing. And these kind of tags which do not require a separate closing tag, these kind of tags are called as self-closing tag.